Alright, y'all. Listen. It's been about a week now. This rain here. This rain is testing me, man. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this rain. I don't care who sees this. I don't care. I had enough, man. I had enough. You hear that rain? You hear it? This rain been going on for the last week. Flooding. Can't even pass with this rain on the roads. I'm tired of this, man. It's me against the rain. And I'm tired of it. I'm just tired of it, man. You hear it. Y'all can hear it, man. This has been like this for the whole week. And I'm tired of it, man. Please. Lord, please make this rain just stop. I've had enough. It needs to stop right now.